Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today, you know it is Wednesday, and we are going into the Dollar Tree to do some light couponing and some Christmas shopping walkthrough. So let's go. Oh, here go their pans. It's their weekly wow. And it is their pans, and I do need some of these pans, but I need them with tops on them. I'll get three. Three pans. This is their weekly wow. Okay. I think I showed you all the glasses, but I didn't, the red ones. I'm like, oh, that's got a sleigh on it. I want to get two of these sleigh glasses. Now, I like these, but I am not, oh, I like that one. Look at that. I like that. There's another design, but I do like this one. So I'm going to get the Santa Claus. And there was one more up on there I wanted to look at. Oh, look. And that one. Oh, look at that. Take a spear fry. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, look at all the scarves. Those are pretty. I got the little ones, the little mini scarves. Oh, I like those, the mini bags. It's two per bag. I want a couple of these to put on my tree, my burlap tree that I'm making. So I'll grab some of those. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a blinged out one. And there's a red one that's blinged out. And then here's this one. That's pretty awesome. Those are so cute. I think I might bring my kids here to get these instead. There's a troll. Let's see what that one is. Oh, the minions. Okay. Wow. Okay. And they have these, which is nice. I like those. Okay. And of course, Mickey is always a favorite. And who is that? A superhero. Oh, wow. Okay, the Justice League. Okay, I need some of these. And we have green ones, and that's what I needed, green ones. Okay. Okay. 4 green ones and 4 red ones. And here's the mailboxes. Like I'm getting everything I want today. I'll probably have to do that one. Oh, here's one that's not popping open. So let me put that one back. And I'm going to grab some mailboxes. I swear, I saw something got on my hand. I'm like, ugh. Okay. Oh, here is the, that's going to be cute. And 2, guys. Let me grab a blue one. Okay. But I want to grab this one. Okay, guys, let's start our coupons. So far, that's what I got. Christmas stuff. Okay, guys, so here is all that Lysol. Remember I told you, but I am scared to put that in my toilet. My mother will laugh at me when I say that, but no. I have 3 boys at home. I know the damage they can cause. This looks crazy to me. They got the unstoppable beads in here. I wonder where that coupon work on. Okay, guys, y'all know I'm in my store, right? Where all this bread and stuff is at. I came to grab me 2 more loaves of bread. And yes, we bought this at Sam's Club, but we're getting more. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Look at that. Crunch cake. Let me grab one of those. See, this is my problem. When I come here, I'm shopping for everybody because that's for my mom. Oh, look at the Bobolee. I love that Bobolee bread too. There's the Italian bread up under there. And those are the Thomas's muffins. And then what are these? Oh, these are the original muffins. And we need a set of those for, okay, Uh, my husband had a request. Can you get the all chocolate cupcakes? Are you serious? The chocolate donuts? But like, I swear to God, when I met this man, guys, both of us have sweet tooths like that. I eat junk all the time, and so does he. Okay, so the bugles are back. We waiting for them to bring that coupon back out, huh? We need that. Look at that up in there. Yeah. Okay, so I call this my no beep store, right? My no beep store. I did not even bring out my coupons for these because I told you about I quit trying after they saw it was beeping all the time. That was annoying to me. So I just was like, let me leave that alone. Okay. So you got all the twin breads, more Intimins, crunch, softies. What's that? All butter loaf cake. Oh, I wonder if my mother liked that one instead. Okay. Oh my God. Like, I am so proud of this store. And then those are my rolls right there. Let me grab 2 of these for Thanksgiving. Guys, I swear to God, I could never come in here and just shop for like I'm supposed to. It's annoying. Oh, look at that. V8 Splash, pineapple and coconut. Let me try just one of these. So, and these are they stacks chips. This is all the chips that they have. Now, I do get my boys these from here, but I'd rather have a coupon at this point, and I don't have one. So that's the reason why you're not seeing me get it. Okay. Boy, they got some good stuff up in here, don't they? Yes, this is my no beep store. Yeah, I know I love it. Okay, so all of the broths and stuff is on sale right about now because of the holiday. But if they don't have like collagen or any of that, I'm not gonna get it because we have been getting that stuff for free. So why get that? I need spray. Yep, so why get it, right? Okay. This whole month, pay attention to all of your food coupons because they giving away the stuff. Look at that pie crust in here. And I just bought some graham crackers from Dollar General, but they all smell. Oh, okay, I thought all of them were smashed in. I'm gonna grab these two. Like, I've literally went grocery shopping, guys. Okay, I think somebody at this point should tell me that I have a sickness, but nobody does. So, I just go ahead and coupon like I'm normal, and I know I'm not. Okay, the hot sauce is back on sale, and it's 6 ounces, so it's 2 for 50 cents this time, guys. So let me show you that coupon. So here's the coupon for the Texas Pete is buy 2, get 55 cents off. So, do the math. I'm not going to do it if y'all be talking about me because I can't add. Look, they got their baskets out. Oh, what are these big bottles of Gatorade? Oh, look at that. Gatorade. So they got all of that back up. Oh, who love moon pies? I love them. Okay. My little ones always want hot chocolate. I'll make a special hot chocolate for them, though, but, I'll grab that for now. And marshmallows to go with it. Like, this is my fat season, guys. This is my big girl season right here. Let's finish looking around. Okay, so where is the Keebler? No, those are Kellogg's. The Keebler. Okay, now that's gonna make me mad if they ain't got no more Keebler. Guys, all of my ginger snaps is gone that I bought. Okay, I don't see no Keebler over here. I'm gonna go around, but this is a new store, so I gotta look for it. And I'm looking for my batteries, and I don't see them. I don't see the batteries, guys. Nope. I don't see the good battery. I even been looking on end caps, and those are not it. Those are not it. Let me go and see if that's it down there. Who I want some more candy out? I do. I want some more coupon candies for the coupons. Okay. Oh my God. That's bad in a bit, so we need another Keebler. Oh, these coupons, the ones with the 4 in the pack, that coupon that we got that's giving us overage at the other store is working on these, so I'm gonna grab these too. Okay, here, and see these boxes right here? These right here have I think it's 14 cookies. These are working, so I'm gonna grab 2 boxes of these and our Keebler coupon. I'm gonna try to remember it when I get home, guys, because look where I gotta dig it from. So bear with me. And I know someone told me in the Walmart video I didn't show the coupon. I didn't show the coupon because I showed those coupons before, guys, and you know it's kind of at your risk type of coupon, so that's why I didn't bother about trying to get too much. Okay, so I want to grab 2 of these because the oatmeal coupon that I used last time, the granola coupon, works. Okay, this coupon right here, this one works. Remember when I used it, this is the place I used that and it did not beat. Okay, I was looking for the Nivea lip because last time I was here that Nivea lip worked. Okay, so it says Palmer's, Gold Bones, Jergens, Craft Sweet, Apricot, Craft Secret, and I don't see any Nivea lip. Wow, that really chaps me. Oh, look at all this. Look. I like this one. Oh, it's a mermaid tail. Oh, wow. Okay, they did say that dollar off coupon work on these crafts, so I'm going to grab one and see if it works. If not, I'm just going to put it back and say, oh, I thought it did. Okay, guys, this is the Welch's coupon that's working on the 4 count. It does work, so, you know, at your own risk. Okay, guys, I left my Crest coupon, so y'all already know I'm not getting that because I don't do bad on toothpaste. So, okay, guys, see this effort in? You have a coupon for that. I should have pulled it. I knew I saw it somewhere. There it is right there. Darn it. Ugh. Okay, I'm going to grab 2 hauls. Okay, it's buy 2, get $1.25 off. So you pay a quarter each for each one. So I'm going to grab these right here. Look at this buggy. Y'all know better. Just so ain't nobody going to stop. Nobody's going to help me. Nobody. Look, guys, they got vitamin A and D cream in here. I use that. Okay, so if anybody, this is where the Ricola is at. I got to look at that because it's a 10 count. I think this Ricola, I might could use this coupon, so I'm gonna try it again. And you all should go to my Instagram. That's why I leave those little last minute things at Ivy's Coupon Camp. Now, the Advil, yep, it worked because look, this is gone. Okay, use your Advil coupons. You get the blue box. Let me get it for you. This box, this works in this store. Okay, now I didn't bring mine, but that Advil coupon for $2 off, it worked. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go and check out, and I will see you when we get to the house. Okay, guys, so we are home. No beeps, none. And you see that I got this time I got the fudge scrapes, and I picked up the Welchers. Okay, but no beeps. So let's go through quickly what I got because some of the stuff is left in the car because you see I had 2 of these. I stopped by my mom's and dropped off her cakes and stuff. I just dropped off some things. The donuts was 8 out of, so we put those up. So you have 2 pancake pans. That'll be for my cheesecake that I bought from Dollar General. We got the Intimates, the bread, the rolls. That'll be for Thanksgiving. It's mine. No beeps on these, like I told you. Okay, this was no beeps. That coupon, I showed you all the coupons except this coupon, but I think I used that coupon last week. If so, look back at that Dollar General video, guys. I am so sorry, but I'm exhausted today. The hauls, nothing. Everything worked. These, I finally found a store, so I'm trying to hurry up and rack up on these so that I could put them into my gift boxes that I give to my nieces and nephews. And so all that was good. I bought these for one of my Christmas trees, my little tiny one. And these actually are, I'm using these for gift boxes, not decoration. It's going to be used for gift boxes. I'm actually going to grab 2 more. I'm missing a big one. That's why I know my son left some of the stuff in the car, because I grabbed, I think, 4 of these. I want these because these are actually gift boxes. They're not going to be decorations. Yes, see the inside of them? I'm going to make them out of gift boxes for my kids. That's something special that I like to get them something different than I give everybody else's gifting. Those are cooking pans. Look at that. That's cute. The sleigh, right? It say, you're a sleigh in it. That's pretty. And the bottom is red, which I like. And then, of course, these. These will be going outside. I have an area around my patio that I want to put these at. And then one, I'm going to try and make a sleigh. I have a box. I'm going to try to make a sleigh. So thanks, guys, for tuning in to this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Share. It's so important that you share and like and subscribe, guys. Bye.